morning, sir. I am Kian Rafael C. Javier. And for today's science activity, I'm gonna demonstrate and investigate about the relationship among force, acceleration, and mass. And now, we are here. The materials we need is eco bag, clothes, ruler, tape measure, and stopwatch. And first step we need is put your clothes into eco bags. And so I'm putting in, and the next step 2 is tie your eco bag so hard. And now step 3, push the eco bag together with the stopwatch. And starts now. Okay, so the seconds is 1.49 seconds. And the meter is 18 meters. And now let's do the second trial. Now we are the second trial and do the same thing. Repeat it. Now the first trial is have 2 clothes and lock it in 2 clothes. Dito add it. And do the same thing. The same thing we did in trial 1. And there is. And push it. Restart. And 3, 2, 1, start. And the seconds is 1.38 seconds. And the meter is 120 meters. And the last trial. Now, for the last trial, we're gonna put all these clothes inside the eco bag. Gonna put it. Yes. And tie it so hard. And repeat the same thing as we did in trial and 1. Here. Start. 3, 2, 1. Stop. And the seconds is 1.32 seconds. And the meter is 160 meters. So that's all. Thank you.